What is up, people? How are you doing today? Holy cow, today's gonna be such a phenomenal day. I can't even explain it. We have so many cool things happening, and in all honesty, I don't believe that today is going to be real. But if you saw the title, you are watching this video for a reason. So hope you guys tag along for the ride. We're about to head to Cars and Coffee, so let's go. Got the trusty Honda Civic. We are rolling into Cars and Coffee in style, and look at these two. Hey, you guys need a lift? And in perfect fashion, guys, we just got done with Cars and Coffee, and we are here at Lamborghini in Newport Beach, and look what just rolled in. Talk about showing off. You have Jeffree Star's McLaren Center that just sold the other day. Gabe saw it. That thing is gorgeous, man. That Tiffany blue. What do you think? Would you ever own a car like Tiffany blue? 100. All right, guys. So here it is. This is the place where they keep a Koenigsegg. That's a weird place, but look at that artwork. We're driving a Honda Civic and we're about to go ride in a Koenigsegg. That's weird. 277.9. Now that's the record. Look at that. For a garage, this is pretty sick. Grab some photos. We're gonna go on a ride. Nate's getting in the car. I'm gonna put that in reverse. So excited. Dude, look at all the attention to detail they've got here. This is pretty sick. Or as in someone says.
So sick.
So sick. Here she is. Ruthie in the flesh. This Agera RS, one of one. Come on. And I mean, we've got the Pagani Huayra, which is his second car, right here with the blue and silver two-tone, all exposed carbon. You can't really see it that good, but man, look at the attention to details. Blue titanium exhaust. We're in vlogception right here.
Yeah, mine won't make it though, that's the thing.
Hey, can you edit this for me, please?
Oh yeah, give it to me and I'll edit it. Jeez.
Ooh. This is a car, like, I could spend the next 6 hours shooting and be completely occupied.
Yeah. 300 shots later, you'll use all of them.
Awesome. All right, guys, I am so stoked. I still cannot believe that I have this opportunity, guys. This is so crazy. Like, oh my gosh. Anyway, shout out to Koenigsegg and shout out to Ruthie, the owner. This is amazing. So cool. It's fantastic. I love the digital gauge on that. It's just clean, simple. I just love the bezel. It's so simple, but yet,
Just functional.
yeah, exactly. Oh my Atlanta.
That was 105.
120, huh? Wow. What'd you think?
So sick, dude. I wasn't even there.
It's pretty dope.
Dude, this thing is so cool. So again, you've got this Pagani, which is just the subtle flex on the side of this Koenigsegg. I mean, the experience behind this was literally so insane. This car is raw. And I mean, we've ridden in like UGR Huracan last summer, and this thing like didn't even compare.
Really?
Honestly, I was like shoved in the back of my seat. Anyway, so this is beyond cool opportunity. Guys, hit up Ghost Squadron. I'm gonna put their Instagram below. Comment below. Is this one of your favorites, or what's your favorite Koenigsegg that you've seen so far? This thing is just literally insane. Look at that. Again, super cool, guys. I'm so glad I got to bring you guys along on the experience. But which car are you going to take, the Koenigsegg or the Pagani? Which one would you take, Gabe?
I think I'd take the Pagani.
Really?
I
Why?
like the Koenigsegg. I don't know. It's just like such a special car for me. But yeah, I'd take the Pagani for sure.
Really? You're going to have a ton of people who are...
No, it's all good. You can hate.
It's like Super Boys. They're just like, you nothing beats
Yes,
it. It's
yes.
the same crowd. No offense to anybody who likes Koenigsegg, but it's the same thing.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, shout out to the Ghost Squadron and the Ruthie page for organizing this. This was so crazy, beyond cool experience. Anyway, here it is. Check it out, because when it's gone, well, it'll be gone for a while, because I don't know if I'll ever get this opportunity again. But man, so cool. Just two legends in one room. Whew. All right, guys. Last time you're gonna see this car, at least on my page. All right, now it is time for some lunch. We gotta continue this adventure, man. So cool. Where are we going to lunch?
Let's get a steak.
Fazoli's.
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 Fazoli's, bro, all day.
You guys screwed myself on
I want
this
a
one.
Fazoli's. All you can eat breadsticks.
If they don't have mozzarella sticks, I'm not eating there. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Make sure to like and comment below. Today has literally been a dream. Like, it doesn't feel real, so thanks. Guys, I am so sorry. This is it. That's where part of California ends. We are here back in Utah, and that's due to my poor planning and battery life and SD card storage. So unfortunately, that's it, but don't worry, you guys saw the most exciting parts of California, and so I hope you enjoyed that part of the video. Now, don't go anywhere yet, because I have some exciting announcements coming up right now. First off, I do want to say thank you to Ghost Squadron Experience, to all the Koenigsegg and Ghost Squadron pages that made this like possible. Honestly, this was an opportunity of a lifetime, and I can't be grateful enough. This was so cool. So make sure to give them a follow. All the links will be below. But more importantly, we did a photo shoot, which here's a sneak peek right here. So if you're watching this video, Instagram hasn't even seen this, and I hope you guys enjoy that. But we are doing a very limited print run, okay? We've got some really good responses on the photos so far, and I'm gonna be working something out with Koenigsegg themselves, but the photos that are going to be available will be available for print, and at a very, very limited run. In fact, we're going to be doing some charity auctions with one of them and some other exciting announcements. But make sure you go to my Instagram page to get more details on that. Guys, I'm so stoked for them. And make sure you also follow Instagram so you can see all of the photos from the shoot from that day. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Join the community. Guys, we're here to create. We're here to have fun. It'll be a good time. We've got some exciting stuff coming up in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys are amazing. Keep creating. Keep that smile on your face. And let's make 2021 the year. Peace.